Today we are going to learn chapter number 5, that is multiplication. Okay, already in previous class you learnt about multiplication. Here small activity. Third standard students prepared 5 types of flowers using colored papers. Among them Pooja, Vishala, Bharat and Ramya exhibited the flowers holding in their hands. What is the total numbers of flowers held in their hands? Okay. Totally how many flowers are there in their hands? 20. Means 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. 4 students are prepared 5 flowers. Means you have to add 5 4 times. Then 5 is repeated 4 times. Okay. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. For example, situation of students standing in a line for a morning prayer. Okay. You also stand like this only, no? In your school morning prayer. Number of lines 3. Number of students in each line 10. Then total number of students standing for prayer 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Then 10 is how many times repeated or how many times added? 3 times. Means 10 into 3 is equal to 30. So then what is multiplication? Multiplication is a short form of adding the same number repeatedly. Okay. Therefore multiplication is repeated addition. Another example, there are 3 cows. How many legs have they all together? Okay. In this picture can you see 3 cows are there. Okay. How many legs among all together? Okay. In one cow how many legs are there? 4. You have to add 4. How many times? 3 times, because they said you 3 cows. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay. 3 times 4 is 12. Then what is the multiplication form? 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Another example, there are 2 birds in each cage. How many are there in 2 cages? Okay. Here 2 cages are there. In one cage how many birds are there? 2. How many birds are there in 2 cages? Okay. You have to add 2 times, because they said you 2 cages. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Exercise questions. I will solve some example. You have to solve remaining example. See this table. 3 columns are there. In first column pictures, and second column addition form, and in third column multiplication form. Okay, in first picture what you are seeing? Leaves. In one picture 3 leaves are. Okay. In 2 picture means 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is about addition form. And what about multiplication form? Multiplication form 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Second picture, can you see ice cream? How many ice creams are there, or how many pairs are there? 2 pairs of ice cream 5 times are there. Okay. You have to add 2 5 times. Okay. That is addition form. Then multiplication 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Remaining 2 you have to do. Okay. Another write in multiplication form. They done addition form. You have to write multiplication form. 4 is how many times added? 4 times. Okay. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 15 is how many times added? 2 times. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 8 is 3 times added. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 3 is 5 times added. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 5 is 6 times added. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Match the multiplication form with addition form by drawing a line. Okay. Here some numbers are there. those numbers are sepaled, means addition form, multiplication form both are sepaled. You have to match those numbers. 1 is done for you, remaining you have to do. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6. To get 6, then what about addition? This is about multiplication. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. 7 is how many times added? 3 times. Where that 7 into 3? 7 into 3 is here. You have to draw 7 into 3 to 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay. 10 is 4 times added. Then where is 10 into 4? 10 into 4 is here. You have to draw this 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 to 10 into 4. 12 is 2 times added. 12 into 2. 9 is 6 times added. 9 into 6. 6 is 5 times. 6 into 5 means 6 is 5 times added. 6 into 3. Got it? Now sign of multiplication. What is this sign for multiplication? One example, Ramesh went to a shop to buy coconuts for a function. He asked the shopkeeper to give 12 coconuts. The shopkeeper gave him 3 coconuts at a time so as to make 12. Okay. Here the number of coconuts taken by Ramesh is, total number of coconuts are 3. But the how many coconuts or how many pairs of coconuts shopkeeper gave to Ramesh is 3 coconuts. Means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay. 3 is added 4 times. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 times 3 is written as 3 into 4. Okay. The word times is represented as into form, means English alphabet X. This is the sign for multiplication. Addition form is converted to multiplication form using a sign this. Okay. This sign is a sign for multiplication. Another example, there are 3 roads. In each window, how many roads are there? In 2 windows. Okay. 3 roads are there. In each window, how many roads are there? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. For this number we will call multiplicand, and this one multiplier, and this is product. Okay. Some important points. The number which gets multiplied is the multiplicand. The number which multiplies is the multiplier. The answer obtained is the product. Got it? What is multiplicand? What is multiplier? Then what is product? Okay. Rewrite using into sign or multiplication sign. 2 times 3, how can you write? 3 into 2. Okay. 4 times 6, 6 into 4. 5 times 2, 2 into 5. 3 times 7, 7 into 3. 8 times 2, 2 into 8. 9 times 4, 4 into 9. Write the multiplicand, multiplier and product of the multiplication form in the given box. Okay. You have to write which is multiplier, which is product, which is multiplicand. Okay. This is multiplicand, 6 is multiplier, 18 product. Here also 2 is multiplicand, 5 multiplier, 10 product. Remaining 2 example you have to do. Word problems. If you multiply any number by 0, what will be the product? Okay, 0 only. If we multiply 0 to any number, we will get 0 only. If you multiply any number by 1, what will be the product? That number only. For example, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is also 3. Then tables. Student, already you learnt tables till 5 in last class. Okay. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 1 is a 1. 1 2 is a 2. 1 3 is a 3. 1 4 is a 4. 1 5 is a 5. 1 6 is a 6. 1 7 is a 7. 1 8 is a 8. 1 9 is a 9. 1 10 is a 10. 2 1 is a 2. 2 2 is a 4. 2 3 is a 6. 2 4 is a 8. 2 5 is a 10. 2 6 is a 12. 2 7 is a 14. 2 8 is a 16. 2 9 is a 18. 2 10 is a 20. Remaining tables you have to write till 9. Okay. You have to remember tables from 2 to 10. Important point, if any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. If any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Easy way of forming tables of 2. Okay, you have to write 1 3. You have to write 1 to 10 like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. All these even numbers are tables of 2. Then tables of 3. You have to write 1 2 3 till 30. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. This last column is the table for 3. Okay. To frame multiplication table 2, write the first two number, that is 1 and 2 in the first row. Next two numbers 3 and 4 in the second row. Continue writing in this way till 20. Mark the number in the second column. You will get second table. Okay. If you want to third table, you have to write 1 2 3 column, and last column is the third table till 30. Continuing in the same way, frame the next tables. 9 1 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18, 9 3 is a 27, 9 4 is a 36, 9 5 is a 45, 9 6 is a 54, 9 7 is a 63, 9 8 is a 72, 9 9 is a 81, 9 10 is a 90. To get ninth table, you have to write first 1 to 9 number and next reverse 9 to 0. Okay, and put addition form. This is the ninth table. 1 plus 8 9, 2 plus 7 9, 3 plus 6 9, 4 plus 5 9, 5 plus 4 also 9. Okay, and this is ninth table. Work out the multiplication fact given on each. Look and tick right mark the correct key to open the lock. Okay. Here multiplication, some numbers are there, and here answer. 7 into 3 is 21. Okay. Out of these 3, which is the correct answer for 7 into 3? This one. 5 into 5 is 25. Here 3 keys are there, 15, 25, 35. Then 5 5 is 25. This is the answer for 5 into 5. 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32, 40 and 48. Okay. Out of these 3 keys, which is the answer? 32. 10 into 6, 60. 9 into 1, 9. Observe the given chart and fill the box with their product. Okay, 3 circles are there. Inner circle, some numbers are there. In outer circles also, some numbers are there. Last circle, the answer you have to write. For example, 2 6 is 12, 7 5 is 35, 0 into 8 0, 4 9 is 36, 4 5s are 20, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 1 7s are 7. Multiply and write the product. Okay, I will solve only 2 example. You have to solve remaining example. 2 5s are 10, 6 4s are 24. Remaining example you have to solve in your classwork book. Multiplication facts in daily life. How we are using in our daily life. For example, Rahim went to a shop with his father to buy some items of stationery. There he takes 3 notebooks, 4 pencils, 6 chocolates and 5 pens. Let us find how much money is spent by his father on each item. Okay. Cost of each notebook is 6 rupees. How many notebooks he buys? 3. So 3 into 6 is 18. Then cost of each pencil is 2 rupees. 4 pencils he buys. 4 into 2 is 8 rupees. Cost of each chocolate is 1 rupees. 6 chocolate he buys. 6 into 1 is 6 rupees. Cost of each pen is 5 rupees. 5 pens he buys. 5 into 5 is 25. Then symbol of rupees is like this. Money spent by Rahim's father on each item is for 3 notebooks 18, for 4 pencils 8 rupees, for 6 chocolates 6 rupees, for 5 pens 25 rupees. Another example, for the school day, Divya bought 3 meters of ribbon, 2 pairs of bangles and 4 packets of bindis. The cost of each item is given below. Find the amount spent by Divya on these items. Okay, you have to solve this example. Ribbon cost 5 rupees, bangles cost 8 rupees, bindi cost 3 rupees. You have to solve how the previous example. Solve these examples. 6 pairs of bangles, 2 bangles in each pair. Then how many bangles are there in all? 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 4 bunches, 6 grapes in each bunch. Then how many grapes are there? 4 into 6. Then answer 24. 5 cars, each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there? 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 3 girls, each girl has 1 umbrella. How many umbrella are there? 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 7 packets, 6 bindis. In each packet, how many bindis are there in all? 7 into 6, 42. Solve these following example. One example I will say, remaining you have to solve. 4 students can be seated on 1 bench. How many can be seated on 8 benches? Okay, here 4 students can be seated on 1 bench. Means in 8 bench, how many students will seated? 8 into 4 is equal to 32 students. 10 plants can be planted in 1 row. How many can be planted in 6 rows? Means 6 into 10. Cost of 1 ice cream is 6. What is the cost of 9 ice cream? Means 9 into 6. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in 4 weeks? Means 4 into 7. There are 9 players in a Coco team. How many players are there in 4 teams? 4 into 9. Okay, this is about multiplication by single digit, and next multiplication of 2-digit numbers. For example, to buy bangles for Gauri Ganesha festival, Rekha's mother takes her to a bangle store. She buys 3 dozens of bangles of different colors. The shopkeeper rolls each dozen of bangles in different papers and puts them in a cover. Rekha asks our mother how many bangles are there in the cover. Okay, 1 dozen bangles means 12 bangles. To find this, multiply 12 by 3. Two methods are there. Method 1, in step 1 split 12 into 10 and 2 means 10 plus 2, close the bracket, multiply by 3. Step 2, multiply 10 by 3 and 2 by 3. Okay, 10 into 3 plus 2 into 3, 10 3s are 30, 2 3s are 6. Add 30 and 6, we get 36. Product of 12 and 3 is 36. 12 into 3 is 36. There are 36 bangles in 3 dozens. And method 2, 12 into 3, in step 1 multiply 2 ones by 3, we get 6 ones, and 2 into 3 is equal to 6 units. Write 6 in ones place 6. Okay, and step 2, multiply 1 10 by 3, we get 3 10. Okay, therefore 12 into 3 is equal to 36. 32 into 4. Step 1, multiply 4 by 2, we get 8 ones, and next step 2, 4 into 3, we get 12 tens. 20 into 3. Okay, multiply 3 into 0, we get 0. Write 0 in ones place, and next multiply 3 into 2, we get 6 tens. Write 6 in tens place. Then exercise questions. I will solve only 1 to 2 examples. You have to do remaining examples. Find the product. 12 into 4. First multiply 4 to 2 ones, 8. Write 8 in units place. Next 4 into 1, 4. Okay, 48. 33 into 3. Multiply first 3 into 3 ones. 3 3s are 9. And next write 9 in ones place, and next 3 into 3, 9, 99. Remaining example you have to do. Solve the following. 12 books can be placed in each shelf. Then how many can be placed in 4 such shelves? Means you have to multiply 12 into 4. A